In this video, I'm going to show you how to use split view in Google Chrome. So this is a new feature in Chrome that allows you to split two web pages like you see here. Now, in order to do this, we first need to go and open up Google Chrome. Once you've opened the browser, you need to go and right click on the tab, and then you can click on this option to add tab to new split view. You can now see we have two different tabs open. Now, if you go and click on the left side, you can see this icon changes over to the left. And if I click on the right, it goes and changes it to the right. Now, what you can do is you can have different websites open in each of these different tabs. So if you come up to the address bar, let's say I wanted to go and open up YouTube in this tab. You could then click on the tab in the left-hand side, and then you could go and open up a new website entirely. Now, you can also right-click on the tabs. You can click on Arrange Split View, and you'll have a few different options. So you can go and reverse the views. You can also come back over to this option, and you can separate the views as well. And this will just make them back into regular tabs. And that's basically how to use the new split view feature in Google Chrome. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.